Evolution is a gradual development of something. These developments and changes occur over a long period of time. To discover this process, let's go back about 4 million years. So, the first living organism on Earth is believed to be a single-celled microorganism, and from this, other life forms have developed. Well, if we're agreeing with Charles Darwin's theories, there are many different ways evolution occurs. Organisms evolve to better suit their environment. These adaptations to the environment cause progressive changes that will help the animals survive. For example, giraffes have long necks. This adaptation allows them to reach food in such a difficult and harsh environment. These adaptations are furthered by natural selection. Charles Darwin's theory of survival of the fittest ensures that only the better adapted animals survive, and eventually passing on the favourable traits. Once a species has developed and is producing offspring, another aspect of evolution is variation. DNA variation causes slightly different organisms within the species. Generally, organisms produce a larger amount of offspring than necessary for the survival of that species, but this excess production allows for a larger variety of DNA. These differences may be very beneficial to the species, allowing for the evolution of that particular species. Mutations can also aid evolution. For example, if an animal uses its fingers a lot and is then mutated to gain an extra finger, this mutation would be very beneficial. However, for this mutation to be passed on, it must affect the gametes, also known as the sex cells. Despite all these possible ways a species can evolve, extinction is still possible. Well, it's actually thought that over 99% of species have become extinct. Extinction can occur due to natural selection, environmental factors, or inability to reproduce. If a species does not evolve, extinction is a major threat.